Here's our next plant, Lonicera hispidula in the Caprifoliaceae. This is called twining honeysuckle. And it's got, it's a liana, so it clambers on top of other plants. So this particular shoot here is kind of desperately searching for something to climb on. And it's coming over the path and it's not finding anything, so it's going to have to go in reverse. You can see other shoots are kind of clambering on top of this, on top of this rubus actually. Lonicera hispidula has opposite leaves, and the leaf base is a really good character for these leaves to see. It's got heart-shaped leaf base, and it's got this really weird thing where the opposite leaves can sometimes even be fused together. Look at this. These are opposite leaves, but they're fused together. It's actually just one leaf. And I don't know if technically, would you call that a compound leaf or what? I don't know. But it's thought of as a simple leaf. And as you go down the stem though, you'll see that they just become more regular, simple leaves. Pretty cool. Look at this. It's got like, I guess we would call this a stipule between the leaves. It's a separate structure. Pretty neat. Generally they have some kind of fuzz or hair. You can usually see it on the margin. These are entire margins. They got some fuzz, and the underside is usually kind of whitish, pale, and the top side is glossy dark green. Here are the fruits, and they'll turn red when they're ripe. They don't taste very good. They're eaten by birds. This is a really common liana. It's probably the most common liana in California. And you find it anywhere in low to mid elevations. It's very common in the Bay Area. We'll be learning another species of Lonicera in the Bay Area, Lonicera involucrata. That's a shrub. It's an erect shrub. And this one is always a clamberer or a vine on top of other plants. There's also some non-native Loniceras that you sometimes will see, and I'm not sure, I don't think we'll be learning any, but there's one even here on the fire trail. If you have sharp eyes, you'll see, but that's also an erect shrub, Lonicera japonica. I'm not sure what else to say about it, so I'll just sum it up. It's a liana, it's a climbing plant, it uses other plants to support itself. It has opposite leaves, and when you look at the top of the shoot, you often see that these leaves are fused with buds or fruits or flowers coming out of the top here. You can see some dead flowers over here. And it's got hairs on it. The leaves are leathery, they're evergreen, and they are usually pale on the bottom side and glossy dark green on the top side.